Welcome everyone. Today you are about to embark on a journey to discover the secrets to achieving everything you want in life. Success is not a destination, it's a journey. It's an ongoing process that requires continuous effort, dedication, and a burning desire to achieve the extraordinary. It's about setting those lofty goals and striving for them, even when the odds are stacked against you. It's about not just dreaming, but turning those dreams into a reality. But how does one navigate this complex journey? That's exactly what we're here to explore. Our purpose is to equip you with 5 secrets that can help you achieve your dreams. These aren't just any secrets. They're tried and tested strategies employed by some of the most successful people in the world. They're the guiding stars that can illuminate your path to success. So, whether you're a budding entrepreneur, a student looking to excel, a professional aiming for a promotion, or anyone else with a burning desire to succeed, this video is for you. It's for the dreamers who dare to dream, the doers who dare to do, and the achievers who dare to achieve. But remember, success doesn't come easy. It requires diligence, persistence, and a whole lot of courage. It requires you to step out of your comfort zone, to take risks, and to face failures head-on. It requires you to believe in yourself, even when no one else does. So are you ready to unlock the secrets to success? Are you ready to embark on this exciting journey? Are you ready to discover the keys to achieving everything you want in life? If you are, then buckle up. This is going to be an exciting ride. And remember, we are here with you every step of the way, guiding you, motivating you, and helping you reach your destination. Remember to hit the subscribe button if you find our content useful. It means a lot to us. Stay tuned to uncover the first secret. Scene script. Secret number 1 is setting clear goals. Without a destination, how can you plan a journey? Imagine you're a ship's captain ready to embark on an epic voyage, but there's a catch. You've got no map, no compass, no destination. You'd be lost at sea, wouldn't you? That's exactly what life is like without clear goals. Setting clear and realistic goals is like having a personal GPS for your life. It not only provides direction, but also gives you a purpose, a reason to get up every morning with renewed vigor. Goals are the fuel to your ambition, the wind in your sails, guiding you towards your desired destination. But how do we set achievable goals? Well, let's break it down. Firstly, make sure your goals are specific. Instead of saying, I want to get fit, say, I want to run a marathon in 6 months. This gives your goal a tangible form, something you can work towards. Secondly, your goals must be measurable. How else will you know when you've achieved them? Using the fitness goal as an example, you could measure your progress by tracking your running distance and speed. Thirdly, ensure your goals are attainable. While it's great to dream big, setting overly ambitious goals can lead to disappointment and demotivation. So aim high, but keep it within reach. Fourthly, your goals should be relevant. They should align with your broader life objectives and values. If your overarching goal is to lead a healthy lifestyle, then running a marathon fits the bill perfectly. Finally, your goals should be time-bound. Set a deadline for when you want to achieve your goals. This creates a sense of urgency and keeps you motivated. So, there you have it. The secret to achieving everything you want in life starts with setting clear, well-defined goals. It's like putting a pin on the map of your life's journey. It gives you a destination to reach, a purpose to strive for, and the motivation to keep going. Remember, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So, set your goals and take that first step. Now, on to the second secret, embracing persistence. Success is not a sprint, but a marathon. Picture this. You're running a race. You're not sprinting towards the finish line, but instead you're pacing yourself, taking steady strides. This is what success looks like. It's a long-distance run, filled with ups and downs, twists and turns. The race is not always to the swift, but to those who keep running. Now, why is persistence so crucial? Simply put, it's because the path to success is rarely straightforward. Hurdles will appear. Detours may be necessary. At times, you might even feel like you're running in circles, but the key is to keep going. Persistence means you're committed to the journey, not just the destination. Let's take a look at some real-life examples. Consider Thomas Edison. He made 1,000 unsuccessful attempts at inventing the light bulb. But did he give up? No. He once famously said, "I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." And when he finally succeeded, he illuminated the world. Or how about J.K. Rowling, the author of the Harry Potter series? She faced numerous rejections from publishers. But she didn't let these setbacks discourage her. She kept pushing, kept writing, and today her books have sold hundreds of millions of copies worldwide. These stories show that persistence pays off. They prove that success isn't about how fast you reach your goal. It's about staying the course, no matter the obstacles. Persistence is about resilience. It's about bouncing back when you fall, dusting yourself off, and continuing the race. It's about believing in your vision, even when others don't. So how can you embrace persistence? Start by setting realistic expectations. Understand that success takes time. Be patient with yourself. Celebrate small victories along the way. And most importantly, don't let failure deter you. Instead, view it as a learning opportunity, a chance to grow and improve. Persistence is the path to success, so keep going even when the going gets tough. The third secret to success is cultivating a positive mindset. Remember, your mind is a powerful tool. Now, we've all heard the saying, mind over matter, right? Well, it's not just a catchy phrase, it's a fundamental truth. Your mind, your thoughts, your attitude, these are the driving forces behind your actions, and your actions, in turn, determine your success. Think about it. Have you ever noticed how a gloomy perspective can drag you down, while an optimistic outlook can lift you up? That's the power of a positive mindset. It's like a beacon of light, guiding you towards your goals, even when the path is obscured by challenges and setbacks. But how do you cultivate a positive mindset, especially when circumstances are tough? Well, it's not always easy, but it's definitely possible. Here are a few tips to help you on your journey. First, practice gratitude. Even in the darkest times, there's always something to be thankful for. By acknowledging these positive aspects, you're training your mind to focus on the good rather than the bad. It's like building a mental firewall against negativity. Second, surround yourself with positivity. This could be positive people, positive environments, or even positive experiences. You see, positivity breeds positivity. It's contagious. So the more you immerse yourself in it, the more it will permeate your thoughts. Third, believe in yourself. Self-belief is a powerful motivator. It's the fuel that drives you to keep going, to keep striving even when the odds are against you. So, never underestimate your capabilities. You're stronger and more resilient than you think. Lastly, use positive affirmations. These are simple, positive statements that you repeat to yourself, like "I can do this" or "I am capable." They might seem trivial, but they can have a profound impact on your mindset. They're like little seeds of positivity, planted in the fertile soil of your mind. A positive mindset can turn dreams into reality. So keep your thoughts positive and your eyes on the prize. The fourth secret is developing self-discipline. Discipline is the bridge between goals and achievement. When we talk about success, we often overlook the importance of self-discipline. It is the silent force that propels us forward, the invisible hand that guides us towards our goals. Self-discipline is the ability to control oneself, to resist short-term temptations in order to meet long-term goals. It's the foundation upon which all success is built, and without it, dreams remain dreams. But how does one develop self-discipline? Well, it's not as daunting as it might seem. Start small. Choose one thing you'd like to improve about yourself or your life, and make a commitment to work on it every day. It could be something as simple as waking up half an hour earlier or reading a chapter of a book each night. The key is consistency. Remember, self-discipline isn't about making huge, drastic changes overnight. It's about taking small, consistent steps towards your goals. And the beautiful thing about self-discipline is, the more you practice it, the stronger it gets. Like a muscle, it grows with use. It's also important to understand that self-discipline isn't about punishment. It's about respect. Respect for yourself, for your goals, and for the person you want to become. It's about making choices that reflect the value you place on your dreams. So what happens when you stumble? Because let's face it, we all do at some point. Well, self-discipline is also about resilience. It's about picking yourself up, dusting yourself off, and getting back on track. It's about learning from your mistakes and using them as stepping stones towards your goals. And finally, remember that self-discipline is personal. It's not about comparing yourself to others or trying to live up to someone else's standards. It's about being the best version of you and doing what it takes to achieve your own unique vision of success. Self-discipline is the key to unlocking your potential, so stay disciplined and stay focused on your goals. The fifth and final secret is never stop learning. Knowledge is power, and power is the key to success. In an ever-evolving world, those who cease to learn cease to grow, and those who cease to grow inevitably fall behind. In our quest to achieve everything we want in life, the importance of continuous learning cannot be overstated. The world is a treasure trove of knowledge waiting to be discovered. Each new piece of information we acquire, each new skill we learn, is a stepping stone towards our goals. Remember, every expert was once a beginner, and every beginner has the potential to become an expert. So, how do we cultivate a habit of continuous learning? It starts with curiosity. Be curious about the world around you. Ask questions, seek answers. There's always something new to learn, something new to explore. Next, make learning a daily habit. Dedicate a portion of your day, however small, to learning something new. It could be anything, a new word, a new concept, a new skill. The point is to keep your mind active and engaged. Thirdly, embrace challenges. Challenges are opportunities for growth. They push us out of our comfort zones and force us to adapt and learn. So don't shy away from challenges. Embrace them, learn from them, grow through them. Finally, remember to apply what you learn. Knowledge is useless if it isn't put into practice. So don't just accumulate knowledge for the sake of it. Use it, apply it. Let it guide you towards your goals. As we wrap up this secret, let's remember that learning is a lifelong journey. It doesn't end when we leave school or when we land our first job. It continues, day after day, year after year. Remember, the more you learn, the more you earn. So keep learning, keep growing, and keep moving forward. Now that you know the 5 secrets to achieving everything in life, it's time to put them into action. Let's take a moment to recap these pearls of wisdom to ensure they're etched in your mind, ready to guide you on your journey towards success. Our first secret was about setting clear goals. Remember, it's not enough to merely dream of success. You need to clearly define what success looks like for you. This might be a career aspiration, a personal milestone, or a lifelong dream. Whatever it is, write it down, break it down into achievable steps, and set a timeline. This will give you a clear path to follow and a clear vision of what you're working towards. The second secret we unveiled was the power of persistence. Success isn't always an easy path. There will be obstacles and setbacks. But it's important to remember that these are just temporary hurdles, not permanent roadblocks. Persistence is about pushing through those hard times, keeping your eyes on the prize, and never giving up. Secret number 3 was all about cultivating a positive mindset. Remember, your thoughts have power. If you believe you can achieve something, you're halfway there. So fill your mind with positive thoughts, surround yourself with positive influences, and watch as your life starts to reflect this positivity. We then moved on to our 4th secret, developing self-discipline. This is about taking control of your actions, your decisions, and your life. It's about making the right choices, even when they're not the easiest ones. It's about staying focused on your goals and not letting distractions or temptations veer you off course. And finally, our 5th secret was the importance of never stopping learning. Life is a continual learning journey. Every day brings new opportunities to learn, grow, and improve. Embrace these opportunities, seek out knowledge. Keep your mind open and your thirst for learning unquenched. Remember, the more you learn, the more you grow, and the closer you get to achieving your goals. Now, these secrets aren't just words to be heard, they're actions to be taken. So I encourage you to start implementing these secrets in your life. Start setting clear goals, embrace persistence, cultivate a positive mindset, develop self-discipline, and never stop learning. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, success is a journey, not a destination, so keep striving, keep growing, and keep achieving. We'll see you in the next video.